As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So we're looking at two propane grills, huh? The Weber Q1000 and the Char-Broil Performance Series amplifier 2-burner. Right off the bat, the Char-Broil is significantly bigger, right?
Yeah, definitely. The Char-Broil boasts a 405 square inch cooking area compared to the Weber's 189. That's like more than double the space. If you're cooking for a crowd, Char-Broil wins there.
True, but the Weber is all about portability. It's only 27.5 pounds, designed for tailgating. The Char-Broil, at 64 pounds, is more of a stay-at-home grill.
Good point. And the Weber uses those small, disposable propane cylinders. The Char-Broil needs a standard 20-pound tank, which is more economical in the long run, but less convenient if you're on the move.
What about heat? The Char-Broil puts out 18,000 BTUs with 2 burners, while the Weber only has 8,500 BTU from a single burner. Does that mean the Char-Broil heats up faster?
It should, and the amplifier infrared cooking tech is supposed to distribute heat more evenly and prevent flare-ups. The Weber has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which are great for even heating too, though. It's a bit of a toss-up depending on your cooking style.
What about features? I see the Char-Broil has side shelves and a cabinet for the propane tank. The Weber seems more bare bones.
Yeah, the Char-Broil is definitely more feature-rich. It even has a tank gauge. The Weber is simpler, focusing on being compact and easy to use. It does have push-button ignition, though, which is nice.
Okay, so Char-Broil is bigger, more powerful, and has more features. Weber is smaller, more portable, and simpler. What about build quality?
The Weber has a really solid reputation for quality, with its cast aluminum construction. People seem generally happy with the Char-Broil, but some reviews mention concerns about the build quality.
And price? The Weber is around $229, and the Char-Broil is about $400. Big difference.
Exactly. So it really comes down to your needs. If you need portability and simplicity, the Weber is a great choice. If you need more cooking space and features, and you're not planning on moving it around much, the Char-Broil might be worth the extra investment.
Makes sense. Thanks for breaking it down. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.